So yesterday you guys got to work with finding elapsed time using whole hours. And today, instead of the movies, we're going to the theater. You're going to be finding whole hours and half hours with elapsed time. So looking at our first play, which starts at 12 o'clock and runs until 3:30, you can start by drawing your number line. And the time starts at 12 o'clock, and just like we did yesterday, you're going to try to make 1 hour jumps to get to 3:30. So adding 1 hour to 12 brings you to 1 o'clock. Not 13 o'clock, it's 1 o'clock. Jumping another hour brings you to 2 o'clock. A third hour brings you to 3 o'clock. And we're trying to get to 3:30. So you're not jumping a full hour for this one, you're jumping half of an hour, because half of an hour is 30 minutes. Okay, so that brings you to 3:30. And if we count up our full hours, we have 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and 30 minutes. So it's 3 hours, 30 minutes.